SEED is part of the the umbrella group of programs that goes by the name of Microgravity University, and there are several flight programs within Microgravity University, and SEED is one of the newest, and it's been around for 4 years, and we've been fortunate to be selected each year for the SEED program.
The interesting thing is we're the only small liberal arts school here, and all the other schools are Yale, Harvard, Madison. It's all huge engineering schools, so it's been a great honor to be able to participate, and being that we've been in the program for 4 years, I think we definitely have grown a relationship with the Reduced Gravity office, and I think it's a great one.
The experiment we're doing is investigating a new way to determine propellant volume in a spacecraft tank. And there are lots of ways to do this. Other investigators have looked at all myriad ways of figuring out how much is in the tank. Unfortunately, all of them require sort of post-flight analysis, looking at the data and inferring the volume. Our NASA colleague came up with a way of measuring the fluid volume directly using acoustic waves. So we just ring the tank with a lot of noise, pick up the vibrations from the tank using sensors, and then use that information to try to figure out what fluid volume is in the tank.
The whole project started back in October when we had to write our proposal, and December we started doing research when we found out we were accepted. When we got back in January, we were there hours a day because it was our J-term class, so we didn't have a set schedule, but we had to be there basically early in the morning and work until our work was done. So we went a lot of time without seeing sunlight, but it's a good experience.
What happens is we load our experiment the night before, get everyone into their spots, get it set up in the morning. When the plane takes off, we go over the Gulf of Mexico, and they fly parabolas. They pull straight up 10,000 feet, then they take a nosedive. The pilots will pull back up, and this is when we experience our period of hypergravity, and we'll climb back up for it takes about 45 seconds, and then go back into another 30-second zero-G parabola.
It was crazy. It was great. I loved it. I want to do it again. When they landed, I wanted them to take right back up again so you could do some more parabolas. Just do it all day. Yep.
The flight was amazing. I had so much fun. It really felt like you were completely disembodied at times, and you could float around. There was a lot less control.
The reaction to the flight is, there's the initial reaction while you're experiencing it, which is one of, this is a completely foreign experience. Your body, your brain does not know how to process being all of a sudden for the first time in your life, and really the first time in your species' evolution, divorced from gravity, right? So it's an amazingly unusual and different experience.
From this project, I learned a lot about what it was to do real research, be more what it's like to be an engineer and working for NASA.